Welcome to my Kudos app, ladies and gentlemen. So I've noticed this app trending, and I've decided to look it up. It's said to have been last updated on the 31st of March. And what is this app about? Mine daily rewards, grow your balance, and join the Mine Kudos community. KUD mining system, KUD exchange beta, wallet and balance tracking. Right? It's a new exchange platform, by the way. That's what I'm able to gather from there. Mine Kudos is a community-powered rewards platform where users can earn daily rewards by participating in the ecosystem. Start your daily mining session, grow your balance, and stay active to maximize your rewards. Right? I've already downloaded, so let's launch it. Welcome to Mine Kudos. Allow notifications. Welcome. So I do not have an account, so I'll go with sign up. You have to provide your first name, last name, date of birth, username, email, address, choose a password, you confirm password, and you provide a referral code. You select your gender and click on sign up. So I'll be leaving my referral code in the pinned comments of the video and it's on the Telegram page. You can just copy it and input here when you get here. So an OTP will be sent to your provided email address, so you go check your inbox. Alright, so I've verified and I am in. First things first, click on start mining. I'm in a mining session that will last for 24 hours. My base rate is 3.3 per hour. I haven't mined nothing. Alright, so my wallet. So you create wallet, confirm KYC, recover wallet, all on the wallet page. There is the transfer. Please complete KYC and create your wallet first. Okay, there is the exchange. So this is not a real exchange. The synthetic asset shown here are internet trading assets used only inside this exchange environment. KUD is real, and any KUD you trade here is your own. Prices can move up and down, and you may gain or lose KUD. By proceeding, you understand that you are trading, right? Let's go back for now. Let's scroll through referral boost and lockups. My referral code is here. Network rates is this. Total burned 634,000, total locked 7 million, total mined 80 million, right? That's 80.7501% until next halving. Next milestone, 3 active miners, 3 more unlock plus 2%. Okay, so you will be getting boost as you continuously mine. Your referred users haven't referred anyone. Lockup tokens, KUD, the native token of the Kudos Cash Cloud ecosystem, designed to reward user participation, strengthen network growth, and power long term, right? So you might not go through all of this at your convenience time and based to understand even better what the project is about. Let's click on challenges here. Weekly and monthly challenges draws. Enter during the entry window. Your currently active mining session is the one that counts. Once entry closes, the draw waits for the final entered session to resolve. Entry fee is 500 KUD, results auto paid. Right, if you want to participate in any one of the weekly mining challenges, you can go right on ahead and do that. Price pool 1,500. Challenge ends in 7 days. Next, the shop. Right, so you can actually list and sell things here. You can buy. You can buy this. Their prices are all shown here. They are NFTs. So if you want to mint, then go right on ahead and pay and mint. So we're going into in-depth tutorial about the difference of the KUD ecosystem at some other time. This video is just an introductory video to KUD. So you can download the app from Play Store for Android users and start mining your KUD. Right? More details coming as soon as possible. Thanks. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.